this. Loads of splashing. There's one thing you can do to fix it. Do you know what it is? So, it's splashing for a reason, and it's not the boat's fault, it's the engine. It means the engine is too far in the water. Now if you come over here, if you have a look here, this is the trim angle pin, and you notice it is one out from the bottom. If there's loads of splashing, you need to push this out one and try again. So let's do that now. First of all, tilt the engine up. Next, pop the trim angle pin out, being very, very careful not to lose it. It's dead easy to lose because it's sprung loaded. So I've got it out here, and I'm going to pop it back in, the next one up. Being sure to lock the little tab over. Now we're going to try the engine again and see what the splashing situation is like. Tilt lock off. Down she goes, and can you see the engine is a little bit more trimmed up? That means it's lifted the engine out of the water a little bit. Now what you should expect now is getting onto the plane, the bow will lift a bit more. Don't worry about that, it'll drop back down once you're on the plane. Much prettier driver than me. Kill code on.
I'm just going to have a quick look because the bow is going to lift a lot, that there isn't anything immediately in front of us. I've got it in neutral, I don't need to pull it over because I've got electric start. Cheers, forward gear. Nice positive forward gear, no one wants to ruin any of them teeth, do we?
Go on, give it the beans. So we've got a bit more bow lift. So I've moved forward. Now, let's have a look. We've got a nice clean wake coming off the transom. No more splashy. Job done. If you like this kind of content, like and follow, subscribe, keep watching, comment, give us the thumbs up. Cheers guys, see you later.